Hello children, good morning all of you. Children, today we are going to do revision. Revision of down up line and up down lines. Okay, do you remember down up lines? Yes? Okay, I will show you flashcard. Okay, see children, this is down up line. Which line? Down up line. Down up line first goes in downward direction. Yes, then it goes up, again comes down. Okay, so this is down up line. Okay, see children, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, slanting line and slanting line makes down up line also. Yes, see, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, here you have to write slanting line. Okay, don't write standing line. Standing line असते का down up line ला? No, slanting line असते. Okay, now let's draw down up line in the air. Okay, everybody ready? Everybody take your pointer finger. Yes, then we have to write down up line. Okay, first we have to come down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now children, we will revise up down line also. Okay, see, this is which line? Up down line. Which line?
Up down line.
Yes, and up down line first it goes in upward direction. Okay, then कशी जाते आधी? Upward direction ला जाते. Okay, and then come down. Okay, understood children? See, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, but here you have to, while writing up down lines, you have to write slanting line here. Slanting line makes up down line. Yes, इथे स्टँडिंग लाईन करायची असते का? नो, स्लॅन्टिंग लाईन काढायची असते. ओके, अप डाऊन लाईनला अँड डाऊन अप लाईनला. ओके, एव्हरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? नाव we have to write up down line in the air. So what we have to do? Yes, pointer finger. Take your pointer finger. Yes, everybody ready? Very good. Now first what we have to do? Yes, first we have to go up. Yes, in which direction? Upward direction. See children, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, now children, we have to do some work in our pattern book. Okay, see.
Now everybody open page number 15 of pattern book. Parents, on the top of the page write CW and here left hand side write today's date.
Children, tell me which pattern is this? Yes, this is down up pattern, down up lines. Why? Because it first goes in downward direction and this pattern is used for letters V and W. Okay. जेव्हा आपल्याला V and W letters write करायला लागतील, that time we have to use down up lines. Okay. Now children, you have to join these dots. Okay. You have to join these dots. Okay. And while writing, you have to follow this arrow. Okay. Arrow ची डायरेक्शन कोणती आहे? त्या साइडनी आपल्याला ट्रेसिंग करायचं आहे. तसं ट्रेसिंग करायचं आहे. Okay. Now see, I will show you how to trace this down up pattern. Okay. Put your pencil on the red line. Yes. Then see, arrow खाली येतोय की नाही? Then come down. Yes. Touch to the blue line. Then again गो अप. ओके, ॲरो जसं जातं तसं आपण त्या डायरेक्शनने जायचंय. ओके, देन कम डाऊन, देन गो अप, कम डाऊन, गो अप. येस, डाऊन, अप, डाऊन, अप, डाऊन, अप, डाऊन, अप, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes, children, see. Down, up. Okay. असं बाहेर गेलं की काय करायचंय? You have to erase. Yes. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and again come down, touch to the blue line. Yes, second blue line, touch to the second blue line, then go up, down, up, down, up. Put your pencil on red line again. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay. Now children, while writing this pattern, use pencil. Everybody open page number 18 of pattern book. Parents, write HW on the top of the page, and here left hand side write today's date. Now children, tell me, which pattern is this? Tell me. Yes, up down pattern, up down line. Okay, why? Because first it goes in upward direction. Yes, and this pattern is used for writing letter A, N and M. लेटर A, N and M लिहिण्यासाठी हा पॅटर्न यूज करतात. ओके, नाव चिल्ड्रन, वी हॅव टू ट्रेस दिस पॅटर्न. Shall we start? Everybody ready? Yes, and children use pencil. Okay, see, put your pencil on second blue line. Yes, first go up, then down, up, down, up, down. Okay, हे arrow पाहिजेत. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again, up, down, up, down. Okay, children, see, which pattern is this? Up down pattern. Yes, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down. Which pattern? Up down pattern. Yes, very good children. See, yes, join these dots properly. Yes, now parents, check page number 18. Tick mark, star, smiley face, and check page number 15 also. Okay, do the tick mark, give stars and smiley face.